choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm gonna have to call.
Okay, what's up everybody? This is Lover by Nature and welcome back to my channel. Per the title, this is my 10-month lock update. This video is going to be fairly short. One, because I can't really talk a lot because I am getting over a cold. So I'm losing my breath quickly and my throat is hurting. And also, I think my daughter's about to wake up too. So I'm trying to get this video recorded before she wakes up. This is how my hair is looking at 10 months. I just got out the shower where I washed my hair. I haven't put any oils or anything in there as of right now, but yeah, so this is basically my 10-month lock update. There is some stuff that I can update you guys on. So if you look at my hair during my 9-month update and look at my hair now, you will see that the ends of my hair are sealed now. So let me get up closer so you guys can see. So my ends are sealed closer now than what they were. And the way that I did that was I did use a crochet needle. 0.75mm crochet needle, and I just went through and basically like how they do the instant lock method. I just crocheted my ends basically to seal them up. And the reason why I did that was because I was going through this this phase of talking about combing my locks out, and it was mainly because I felt like my hair was super short. I felt like it hadn't grew in yet. But if you look at my hair from the beginning of my lock journey till now, my hair has definitely grown because I started on shorter hair. But I just felt like I was at a standstill with my hair. It shrinked up every single time I washed my hair. I just felt like I was getting nowhere with my hair, so I was ready to comb them out. And also, I've been watching a lot of micro lock journey videos, and I was thinking, oh, maybe that's what I wanted to do. But I've done the micro lock journey before it even became popular like it is now. So you know, I was like, you know what, my husband, he was the main one. He was like, no, you shouldn't comb them out because your hair looks fine. But you know, when you're the person that's looking at your hair every day, I mean, my husband looks at my hair every day too, but I don't know, when you're looking at it from your eyes, it's like no. But long story short, I didn't comb them out, and now I have my ends sealed, and now everything is laying down like it should, how I want it to. So I have no desire to comb my locks out now for various reasons. But yeah, so I'm very happy about how my locks are looking now. Other than that, the only other thing that I have been using is the Do Grow hair oil right now. That's the oil that I'm using. I am almost out of that bottle, so I probably will be buying. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy that oil again or if I'm going to buy a different oil. I just like to try different oils just to see how my hair does with them. But I do like the Do Grow oil. And I'm still using my No Itch spray. It's from Jamaica Mango and Lime. which I really don't even have to use it that much because my hair hasn't been itching as it was before, and that can mainly be due to the fact that I have been drinking a lot more water. And the only other thing I have to update you guys on is that I am going to continue interlocking. I do like the way that interlocking looks. At first I was like, I'm not going to do it, but I do like the way interlocking looks. I like the way palm rolling looks as well, but for me, palm rolling doesn't last that long, and I like for my locks to look neat for more than like 2 to 3 weeks. I think I'm going to do a video on the pros and cons of interlocking, and then also the difference between, well, my feedback on my view on the difference between palm rolling and interlocking and what I like about both. So that's 2 videos that you guys should be on the lookout for later on. But yeah, I think I'm going to continue on with interlocking. My next retie is not till February the 13th or somewhere around that time. I don't even know if I'm going to do it then. It just depends on how I'm feeling during that time. But my parts are still there. I mean, my hair is a little bit frizzy, but like as far as my parting system go, it's still there. It doesn't look that bad as if I would have retwisted it and then it would have been like a week later. And this is going